Hi, this is Amy with Line Dance Salt Lake, Utah. Are you ready to get your line dance on? Hey there! Today on step 2, I'm going to show you how to do a kickball change. We're going to do a right kickball change, weights on our left foot. I'm going to kick my right foot out, kick, and it's going to be a step, step. Do it again, kick, and we're going to come down on the ball of our foot. That's why it's called a ball change. So kick, ball, change. Left side, kick, ball, change. Might be easier to see it from the side, so a left kick, ball, change, kicking out with our left, kick, ball, change, and a right, we're going to go out with our right foot, we're going to do a kick, ball, change. And that is how you do a kickball change. Hey, thanks for watching. You could be a line dance slut too. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on the dance floor.